Hello and thank you for joining us in today's video. We're going to show you all of the Pride Mobility accessories that we offer and how to install them. We're going to give you a quick demo first, starting with the oxygen tank holder, which holds your oxygen tanks, a dual crutch or cane holder, a single cane or crutch holder, a walker holder, a cup holder, which is foldable and collapsible, and a cell phone holder. The cell phone holder and the cup holder do require specific armrests and tiller types, which we'll go over, and we also have the rear cage style basket. Before we get any further, I do want to say that if you want to claim a copy of our free product catalog, all you have to do is go to our website, click on the green tab at the top of every page that says free catalog, just fill out that short form, and one will be in the mail and reach you within about 1 to 2 weeks tops. Do want to also say that if you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, not only will you stay up to date with our latest videos as we release them, you'll also get automatically entered into our giveaway. We give away a free mobility scooter every 6 months. You're already here, might as well subscribe. Let's get started with the video. With the rear cage style basket, you will need a seat that has a 1-inch universal hitch receiver in the back. It's a square receiver. You simply slide in the rail right into the receiver, line up the holes, and take out your quick release pin that came with your scooter and just plug it right in. It's that simple. Provides you a lot of space to carry some groceries or any other type of cargo that you need to take with you while going on a ride. Removing it is very easy. Just pull the safety pin out and you're good to go. A lot of these accessories will work with the quick release pin, so just keep that handy, and we're going to show you now that the walker holder goes in the same exact way. I will note that these products are powder coated with black paint, so the first time you go to install them, it might be a little difficult to do, but as you start using them, they tend to go in and out a lot easier. With the walker holder, it works with many different types of walkers. Just find a straight point on the walker and rest it on the hanger at the very top of the bracket. The walker holder comes with 3 Velcro straps. There are 3 tie-down loops, 2 on the top part of the T, where we're resting the rail of the walker right there on that holder, and then you just take out one of those Velcro straps, go through the tie-down loops, and find a way to secure your walker so that it's sturdy and not going to shake around, make noise, or possibly fall off. There are 3 straps and 3 tie-down loops, and we highly recommend using all 3 of them to ensure you don't lose your walker when you're going over bumpy terrain, and just to ensure it's not rattling around making annoying sounds as you're driving your mobility scooter. So here we are attaching the 3rd Velcro strap using the 3rd loop, which is actually on the main shaft of the walker holder. And these Velcro straps are very easy to use. There's really nothing to it, just attach it and detach it when you're ready to take it off. Now we're going to show you the single and dual crutch holder. Goes in just like any of the other accessories that attach to the 1-inch square receiver on the back of the chair. This is a single cane holder, and we're just demonstrating how it works. Here we have a dual cane or crutch holder. Since we don't have 2 canes, we're just going to show you how it holds 2 crutches, but this is ideally better for 2 canes. The crutches can be pretty high, so if you're going under anything that has a low clearance, be very careful that you don't hit the top of your crutches. Now moving on, we're going to show you the oxygen tank holder. It's very straightforward, just like any of the other accessories that attach to the rear 1-inch squared receiver on the back of your seat. Just slide the rail right into the sleeve and use that quick release pin to secure it. There are 2 knobs on the left side of the oxygen tank holder, which are used to tighten down your oxygen tank to ensure it's not rattling around or making any noise while you're driving your mobility scooter. Another accessory that we had, which we didn't show in the beginning, is the Wishbone crutch holder. So the Wishbone crutch holder holds 2 of your crutches in a different style than the previous dual crutch holder that we showed you. This actually is going to allow you to put the 2 crutches on in a diagonal formation, which allows you to save room, and it brings the crutches down lower so they're not sticking up so high. If you need to go under something that has clearance, you're not going to have as much as an issue because these crutches are diagonal and there's a little bit of clearance above the floor there, so it's not going to scrape on the floor as you're driving around. It's a pretty convenient option, and it does hold 2 crutches. Next, we're going to show you the cell phone holder. You will need a handlebar assembly known as a tiller assembly with the holes in it that are threaded to allow this cell phone holder to screw in right to the handlebar. So most of the Pride mobility scooters have this, but not all of them. Call our parts department if you want to get confirmation on compatibility. If you do have a mobility scooter with these types of threaded holes on the handlebar, all you have to do is loosen up that knob on the left side of the cell phone holder first so that you can get that part at the bottom that screws in loose and point it right into the threaded hole either on the left or the right side of your tiller handlebar assembly. Once it's in, go ahead and tighten up that knob to fix it into place. You can loosen it to change the position of the cell phone holder and then retighten it to lock it into position. And the cell phone holder is spring loaded, so basically you just need to take those 4 little prongs and bring them down together vertically and then just lay your cell phone right in the middle of the 4 prongs, and tension will just pretty much hold it right in place. Very convenient. The next thing we're going to show you how to use and install is the cup holder. You will need a certain type of mobility scooter that's compatible for this accessory. Mainly, you just need to check the bottom side of your armrests to make sure they have square rails with screws that require an Allen key. If you have rounded rails, this accessory will not work. So the bottom of your armrest rail needs to be flat or squared, and you'll want to take the Allen key that came with your mobility scooter and loosen up that front screw all the way. Go ahead and remove it, fish it through the hole on the top part of the cup holder from the bottom going up, and once it's in, just go ahead and line it up with that same hole that you removed the screw from on the front part, bottom side of the armrest, and just screw it back in. You can use a little drill set with a low torque setting to save some time, or just use the Allen key manually like we're doing here. Once it's tight, don't want to over tighten it, just tight enough. Maybe put some Loctite on it so that it doesn't come out too easily. It's ready to go. The cup holder does fold down and gets out of the way when you're not using it, and it's a very convenient option. Next, we're going to show you the rear view mirror. You can put 1 or 2, but keep in mind most mobility scooters only have 2 holes on the handlebar assembly, allowing for 2 accessories that screw into those threaded holes. On the base of the mirror, the end is threaded, and it does have a nut that is used to adjust the position of the mirror. So once you're done screwing it all the way, you use that nut to ensure that it's locking in at the right position that you want it at. You don't want the mirror hanging over the top of your steering assembly. You want it off to the left side if you're mounting it on the left. So we're tightening that screw right now, just using our hands. You could use some tools, but you might scratch the nut. So we use our hands here and make sure we use that nut to just tighten it up so that it rests in the right position so that you can see things behind you like you're supposed to. It's going to wrap up our video. Do want to say that we offer these accessories at the best prices. Just visit our website, mobilitydirect.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form and it should get to you in about a week or 2 max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic. We love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.